Hello and welcome. This is Explain That, and this is a tutorial on how to get verified on Instagram. So let's get started. This is a very quick and simple way on how to get verified on Instagram. So first, open up your Instagram app, click on your profile icon, and then click on the three horizontal lines. Click on settings and privacy or the cog icon, and then go up the search bar and just type on the request, and you'll see request verification. This is for applying for Instagram's verification. Just type on whatever Instagram prompts you to do. This while confirming the identity of you using your account as well. After typing out a lot of prompts, they will also ask you what type of content or whatever type of account you're going to manage on. And you can also add the URL as well. And just tap on the submit and wait for it to load, and that's about it. Wait for it for the request submitted and you're good to go. So this is Baghdad, and that's how to get verified on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.